parts of our coastal counties are under tropical storm warnings.
We're also expecting coastal flood watches to begin in the next hour and a half. Channel 2's Brittany Jeffers is live in Galveston, where the conditions are expected to continue changing, Brittany, as Delta gets closer to the Gulf Coast.
Yeah, good morning. Well, right now things are very calm. We're near 61st and Seawall, but as you mentioned, they are expecting to see potential coastal flooding in the area here in the coming days. We know it's been an incredibly active hurricane season, and families here in the area say they find themselves having to prepare yet again. But many Texans say they're already fatigued from dealing with Hurricane Laura and then Marco, and of course we had a recent tropical storm Beta, and now Hurricane Delta is preparing to make landfall, as you mentioned, in Louisiana. Yesterday, Delta barreled down on parts of Mexico, and it could be a preview of what's threatening to strike the already battered U.S. Gulf Coast. Evacuations underway in parts of Louisiana and Alabama. While Houston remains outside of the forecast cone, people along the coast say they're not taking any chances. They've been busy making preparations. According to our meteorologist, coastal and surge flooding will be a concern in this area during high tide. And Galveston Office of Emergency Management tells us they're closely monitoring the storm.
Storm watch, so we can see 30 to 40 mile an hour per winds, elevated tides, 3.5 to 4.5 feet. So it could impact Highway 87 a bit on Bolivar Peninsula and some of the bay communities in Galveston and Bolivar.
So at this point, Galveston OEM tells us that they are not expecting any voluntary evacuations. But of course, as we know, things could change depending on what happens when Delta makes landfall. Now, coming up in the next hour here at 6:30, we're going to have more on the specific preparations that they're doing here in the area to prepare for the storm. Live here in Galveston, I'm Brittany Jeffers, KPRC, Channel 2 News.
Thank you, Brittany.